Hey everyone, I'm currently in Michigan right now visiting family, seeing a few friends. If you've seen some of my Instagram posts or Facebook, um, I've been to Mackinac Island. This is my home state of Michigan. I've been to Mackinac Island. Chris came with me for a week and I stayed an extra week, to see family and friends, more family and friends. But I tell you, I love my home state. The lakes, it's so green here. The cabin is up north, about 20 miles west of the bridge on Lake Michigan. Just Lake Superior. Anyway, the reason I'm on here is just to let you know I've been a little slow in getting some cooking videos out to you, and hopefully when I get back in about a week or two, I'll go live. And so anyway, I just wanted to say hi, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful summer. Doing some things with maybe family or friends or just by yourself, I don't know. But hopefully it's been a good summer for you, because fall is just right around the corner and we've got all of that wonderfulness happening. So anyway, from Michigan to you, hi, I'll be back. Keep looking for some more cooking videos and everything else that I may do. I want to chit chat with some of you about some really cool topics, or on some topics that, we may be thinking about or dealing with. But anyway, so share your thoughts with me. I would love to hear. So anyway, take care.